You have to have debt to live into the future.
It is for Grant. I'm an active duty soldier.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, I've been in the Army for 10 years now, and I started following you around February. I was talking to my brother, talking about my plans for retirement, 20 years of service, you know, but he opened my mind because of you. He asked me how much you're gonna make, you know, and when I told him, he's like, I make more than that in passive income. You should check Grant. So starting February, a few months ago, you changed my life, my family's life. We sold our property, our dream house, we sold it, put all my money in Cardone Capital. Thank you for the opportunity. I invested more than I make in a year in the fund. I drove my family in a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee to show her the properties that we're invested in, you know. But anyway, I'm here, trying to learn from you guys. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm looking for ways to increase my income while I'm still in the military. I'm trying to transition out of the military once my contract expires in 2021. But Grant, I want to give, again, I want to thank you, and I want to...
How many people in this room have some interest in him right now? Saying, I get it.
So, other than purchasing your products, because I feel that every time I do that, I'm just getting more from you. How can I be of service to your fund, to your foundation? I want to do something to give you back.
Well, you know, thank you. But like, you're already doing enough serving this country, so you know, when you get out, this is what I want to do for you. Is when are you getting out?
2021, October.
Okay, so when you're ready, you need a place to sit, land, bounce off of. You know, our doors are open for you. So I'd love, yeah. You know, bring the light, bring attention to your successes. When you acquire a new customer, tell the whole world. Costs nothing, right? When you're out in the marketplace trying to hire people, like who's trying to hire people right now? You should be telling people, dude, we're hiring every department. That should be an ad. We're expanding again. You know, so those are all indications of expansion that are just smart ways to promote. But you're not going to come up with smart ways to promote if the idea is to stay small. Creativity follows commitment. Where there's a lack of creativity, there's a lack of commitment to expand. And my team, I would not be, Sherry and I were talking 2 or 3 days ago, I would not be where I am today without a team. This does not happen without a team. I mean, I'm not getting all like me with like there's no I in team and there's no whatever. There ain't no we in team either. You ever notice that? It's TEAM. There ain't no W in there. Okay, so but you got to have a team. All great companies are big. They're all big. There's none of them one person. They're big. They're big. They're big. They're not. You know, they got big visions too. And there's debt always involved. You have to have debt to live into the future.